Hello and welcome to the course Introduction on Ultimate Human Resources Management course. This course is to make you a world-class HR and payroll professional. So why you need to join this course? Let's discover how this course is a right match for you. This is a most comprehensive course covering most important aspects and skills required for successful HRM career. You can gain skills to handle remote and virtual situations in human resource management, which is the need of the hour. All topics are explained using step-by-step and beginner-friendly methodology. You don't need any prior experience in order to understand this course. It's a practical, hands-on approach with Excel assignments, downloadable PDF guides, and other downloadable materials. So what are the skills you can learn from this course? Let's discover here, starting with employee lifecycle management, employee engagement with onboarding case studies, employee engagement, onboarding complete guide with 4 C's, employee engagement, how to frame a buddy program, the best HR practices in remote or virtual recruitment scenario, salary negotiation techniques to ensure a win-win situation, MS Excel for HR and payroll professionals, hands-on CTC structuring or salary structuring, and end-to-end payroll calculations in Excel. All these major salary components are explained in this course. Statutory compliances such as PF, ESIC, LWF, PT, statutory bonus, gratuity, and leave encashment. Both the concepts are explained and practical demonstrations of the calculations are done here. HR career roadmap for professionals and beginners in HRM. SWOT analysis for HR professionals and beginners to plan their career ahead. Introduction to payroll software process flow. Introduction to payroll outsourcing process flow. HRM concepts. Human resource management as a management function and strategic human resource management. 4 dimensions of the HRM objectives. Functions of human resource management. So these are some of the topics being discussed in this course. So meet your instructor. I'm Meghna. I'm head of training at NextGen HR. I have done my MBA in HR and I have overall more than 12 years of experience across all aspects of human resource management, compensation, benefits, payroll, HR analytics, and employee engagement. I have trained more than 400 employees at PaySquare as HR and L&D specialist. I have worked with different companies in the past like Aviva Life Insurance, Maverick Infotech in the HR department. My motto is more skills, the more confidence, and better learning is better earning. What are the key takeaways from this course? What are the learning objectives? Let us see here. You will get insights into employee life cycle management, which is crucial for human resource professionals to understand and execute. So you will be understanding the employee life cycle from entry of an employee to the exit. You will understand what are the tools, technologies, and which HR metrics are used in each stage of the life cycle. You will get a deeper understanding of new joiner onboarding process with the pre-onboarding checklist and all the tools needed to make a new hire's joining and onboarding with the organization smoother. You will learn the art of engaging a new hire effectively with 4 C's of onboarding and with case studies. Strategies and crucial conversations or communication techniques to deal with important process of employees onboarding will be discussed. You will know how to make your career roadmap in the field of human resource management. You will master the art of salary negotiation with candidates who are the potential employees to ensure you don't lose top candidates from your organization. You will be able to design a 3-level buddy program for your organization for improved employee engagement experience. You will be able to master MS Excel fundamentals, the formulas, functions, and important tips for HR and payroll data management. You will be able to create compensation structures, both the fixed and flexible benefit plans in Excel with our step-by-step guidelines. You will be able to undertake practical assignments in this course to gain hands-on skills. You will get deep understanding of payroll terminologies as what is base, variable, and extended benefits or perquisites with real-time examples. You will understand different concepts and methods of payroll management. You will get knowledge of different salary components or heads being used in the industry today, such as different allowances and reimbursements. You will get hands-on statutory compliance skills by understanding the concepts and also by working on practical calculations of different compliance such as Provident Fund, ESIC, PT, gratuity, leave encashment, statutory bonus, and so on. We will be giving you a demo of different calculations under different scenarios for these statutory compliances. You will be able to conduct your own SWOT analysis and come up with the required learning to make your career progression plan. It applies for your HR department as well. You will be able to get an insight into the payroll software process flow, such as how the software works in general. You will be able to understand how payroll outsourcing process flow works. And finally, you will be able to learn the HRM fundamentals, HR as a management function, HRM strategy, objectives of HRM, the 4 dimensions of the objectives, such as the societal, functional objectives, and so on. The best part of this course is, apart from the video lectures, you also get downloadable PDF materials and ebooks with this course. You will also get practical assignments in Excel to make you get hands-on skills with downloadable Excel calculators for payroll and statutory compliances as well. If these are the skills you are looking for, look no further and join the course right away, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.